Hey everyone, I've discovered a big mistake that wives are making, a lot of wives are making, and because of this, they're getting really frustrated with their husband. So, ladies, I want you to watch this video so that you can fix this, stop making this big mistake, and start doing this very simple fix, and it will change everything in your marriage. And, gentlemen, I want you to watch this as well because this will help you make your wife happy. Check it out. Hey everyone, it's Kelly, pastor, police chaplain, and author of the book Turn It Up: How You Can Have the Lifelong Marriage That You Really Want. And it's Christmas time, and as I was walking around the other day, I remember a session I had of marriage coaching with a couple, and it had a great conversation and a great lesson that I want to share with you today because this is a mistake that a lot of wives are making. So here's what happened. I was talking with this couple and getting them ready to get married. Actually, it was a premarital conversation. And what the bride was telling me is that, you know what? I always ask this guy to do stuff and he never does it. And I said, well, give me an example. She said, well, I asked him if he would put up the Christmas lights. And then I looked at it and he hasn't done it. And I looked at him and I said, well, what's going on? And he goes, well, it's not Christmas yet. And actually, it was around the middle of December, if I remember correctly. But he made a great point. You see, what this bride, because they weren't married yet, and what a lot of wives are, the mistake that you're making is this: you're forgetting to add a time element to your request. So here's the big fix, okay? Actually, before I go into the fix, let me just say I hear this a lot. The other day in a coaching conversation, a couple was telling me, the husband was telling me that, hey, I feel like my wife is treating me like one of the kids. And I said, you mean she's in mom mode? And he goes, yeah, she's always giving me orders and then complaining when I don't do stuff. So, if that's your situation, or if you're just frustrated because you've asked your husband to do something and he doesn't do it right away, or maybe doesn't even do it at all, what is the missing element? The missing element can be simply this: you're not giving him a specific time to do it by. So, for example, back to our original illustration, this bride was saying, hey, would you put up the Christmas lights? And he said yes, but she didn't say when. In her mind, she wanted them up right away. She was thinking now. She was thinking today. In his mind, he was thinking, well, listen, Christmas lights go up as long as they're up before Christmas. I'm okay. So I'll get around to it whenever, I'm able to. And I've got a lot of other stuff going on. So here is the fix. If you can relate to this problem, here's the fix. First off, you need to think through your request. Okay, what is it do I want from that my husband would do? And gentlemen, we can do this as well. What is it that I would like my wife to do? Okay, think about it. Be specific. Try to come up with a specific request. And by specific, like if you just say, hey, would you put up Christmas lights? Well, what does that mean? Does that mean along the eaves? Does that mean the statues and the things in the yard? Or does it mean everything? Put up the Christmas decorations. Think about what you want. And then, when do you want it by? So now, if she'd have asked, hey, can you put up the Christmas lights by or this weekend, or by 6 o'clock on Sunday night, that now is a powerful request, and it is a way to spur that gentleman into action, because now he gets a chance to do one of three things. He can say yes, I'll put up the Christmas lights and all the decorations outside by Sunday at 6 o'clock. He can say no. You know what? I'd love to, but I'm not going to be able to this weekend. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Or he can say, I would like to make a counteroffer. And a counteroffer goes like this: hey, I can put up some of the Christmas lights by Sunday at 6 o'clock, but I can't put them all up. So now he's changing the scope of the request. Or he could say this: I can't put them up by Sunday at 6 o'clock, but I can put them up by Monday at 6 o'clock. So now he's just changed the time. He's added a little bit more time. So now you get a chance to respond, ladies, and you can say, okay, Monday by 6 o'clock would still work. Thank you very much. And now what you've done is that you have made an agreement. And here's the thing, gentlemen, that I want you to catch. If you want to make your wife happy, okay, you need to now see that you have just made a commitment to her. Okay, you've agreed, you're putting up the Christmas lights Monday, 6 o'clock. Okay, you negotiated, you got an extra day, Monday, 6 o'clock. Guess what? When Monday rolls around, you better have those decorations up and ready to go because she's going to be expecting it. You see, the number one thing that relationship experts teach that a woman looks for a man is someone she can trust. So here's your chance, gentlemen, to step up to the plate and show her that she can trust you. Why? Because you're going to be a man of your word. Okay, Monday, 6 o'clock. You better make sure that you get it done. And if you can't, be responsible. Go back to her and say, you know, honey, I'm sorry. I promised Monday, 6 o'clock. Can I have another day? Or can I just put up some of the lights and I'll finish on Tuesday? But be responsible about it. Ask for more time if you need it, or change the scope if you do. But here's the thing. Follow through on what you promise you're going to do. That will build trust. That will make your wife happy. That will fix this whole challenge that you guys might be having in your marriage. So, wives, what do you need to do? You need to be specific. You need to then ask with a time element. That will solve this problem for you and will correct the big mistake that you might be making, which is to ask for things but not give your husband a time deadline, okay? And then, gentlemen, here's how to make your wife happy. Agree to it and then get it done. You can do this and get it done. Show her that you're a man of your word, and then follow through on what you promised that you would do for her. So I hope you like this tip. I've got a lot more information in my book, and you can get a copy. I'll put up some information at the end of the video. Also, I have a free video series, a video course that I would love to send to you called How to Stop Drifting Apart in Your Marriage. So if you're going two different directions and things are not looking good and you're starting to have problems, I think this video course would help you. So go to my website and you can get that video course. Lastly, if you like this video today, comment. If it's on YouTube, subscribe. If it's on Facebook, hit the like button and then share it with others. So God bless you, and may God bless your marriage. And if you're watching this at Christmas time, Merry Christmas.